Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired a very price range, top of the range Jaguar 2 litre R Sport diesel. I can't believe the price of this, under £7,000. It's finished in Firenze red, comprehensive service history, lovely paintwork, gloss black alloy wheels. It's got park distance control. Black pack on it for around the windows and that. Rear spoiler, lovely contrasting black red leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's done 112,943 miles. It's got multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, satellite navigation. It's got Bluetooth connectivity. It's got media pack, climate control, heated seats, different driving styles driving it, 6-speed gearbox, AUX and USB for Apple CarPlay. At DJH, a full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.